You've been in pain for years, and you have been diagnosed with degenerative disc disease, ruptured or bulging discs. Maybe you have been told there is nothing that can be done. Perhaps you tried minimally invasive surgery to remove some of the disc or bone structure, or you've been told that the only option is fusion surgery. Now, there may be another option. As many as 50% of fusion patients get no relief or are worse after surgery, and those that are considered a success can expect accelerated degeneration of adjacent discs and the likelihood of future surgeries. And yet, the number of fusion surgeries is on the rise in the U.S., even though disc replacement has been developed and used for many years outside the U.S. These disc replacement patients are able to return to many activities which define their quality of life and may have been considered as lost before they discovered disc replacement. Over the past 20 years, disc replacement technology has evolved greatly. Led by the world-renowned orthopedic surgeon Dr. Karsten Ritterlang, the surgeons at Stenham have helped thousands of patients achieve better results with less complications and quicker recoveries. These patients also return to a more active post-surgical lifestyle than those who have had fusion surgery. Because disc replacement surgery requires specialized surgical skills, having a surgeon with the experience and the dedication to this procedure is critical.
Learn how patients with severe degeneration requiring the stabilization of fusion can still maintain motion using advanced combinations of disc replacement and less invasive spinal fusion technologies. Go to betterdiscreplacement.com now to start your journey.